I'm Michelle, and I'm the Career Services Coordinator at US Aviation Academy. We are reaching out to share an exciting opportunity for your future graduates. If you have students that are interested in pursuing a hands-on, high-demand career straight out of school, we would love to tell you about the Aviation Maintenance Technician Program at US Aviation Academy, Denton. At US Aviation Academy, we offer a comprehensive training program that prepares students for careers in one of the fastest growing industries in the world, aviation. The Aviation Maintenance Technician Program will equip our students with the skills to maintain and repair aircraft, and this is a career that promises great job security and earning potential. As educators, you're always looking for ways to provide your students with meaningful career-ready pathways after graduation. That's where we come in. Our program gives students the hands-on experience and technical training that they need to immediately step into the workforce, or they can pursue higher education in aviation. We know that many high school students are looking for alternatives to traditional four-year college routes, and aviation is a really great option. The demand for skilled aviation technicians is growing, and our program, it offers a direct industry-recognized pathway to high-paying and stable careers. That's why we would love to partner with you and your school to bring this opportunity to your students. We're offering school visits, classroom presentations, and college and career day involvement, where we can present detailed information about our program and the potential careers in aviation. It's a chance for your students to learn more about aviation and explore all of their options. Additionally, we'd love to invite your students for field trips to our Denton location. They'll have the opportunity to tour our state-of-the-art facilities, meet our instructors, who are experts in this field, and see for themselves what it's like to train for a career in aviation maintenance. This is a really incredible opportunity for your students, especially any of those who may want to start their careers right after high school, without the need for years of expensive college education. In fact, many of our graduates land jobs in aviation with competitive salaries and really great benefits right after completing the program. We would love to connect with you to discuss how we can bring this program to your students, whether it's scheduling a visit, a classroom presentation, or organizing a field trip to our campuses. We are here to help make that happen. Feel free to contact me directly at 940-301-3488, or you can email me at mmcconnell@usaviationacademy.com. Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to working with you to help your students take the next step towards a bright future in aviation.